Welcome back to table 49, another takeaway Tuesday. I'm going to do my play on a Baba Ganoush. What is Baba Ganoush? Well, it's an eggplant dip. Ingredients below. Okay, so eggplant is like a very underrated vegetable, I find, but I think that's only because people don't know what to do with it. And when you do work with eggplant, you kind of need to take your time. Roasting it is an easy option to just kind of get rid of all that extra work. So that's what we're gonna do first. We're gonna roast the eggplant. We're gonna broil the eggplant until it's quite charred and shriveled. It has olive oil in it and parchment, so don't worry about it sticking too much. And then on the other side, squishy. We could flip them over and do them a bit more actually. You can also use tongs for this if you don't want to burn your hands. Let's try that again. Doesn't look too appealing in color and or texture, but to me this is one of the best vegetables to work with. If you're a vegetarian, one of the best vegetables to work with. It's very thick, it absorbs flavor, and it cooks fairly decently. Okay, so here we go. Are we starting a timer?
You told me.
Yes, commitment. Okay, here we go. Olive oil. Whenever you're blending something like a dip, you wanna make sure there's a little liquid at the bottom and then build up to your dry good. So we'll start with that. I'm also gonna put in some brine from some kalamata olives. Adds a bit of salt. Okay, our feta. This is just a nice goat feta. Oh, I love feta. All of it, and some feta brine as well. We're also gonna put a little bit of mint, a little bit more of parsley. This is just Italian parsley. I think Italian parsley is a little bit better on your palate. It doesn't cause like a crunch. We're gonna do some salt here. Not a ton, because remember we have that brine. Some pepper. 3 cloves of roasted garlic, or whatever you like, but garlic and eggplant is delicious. Then we've got our roasted eggplant. Huck that in there. Let's blend. Let's just blend it up and see what happens. Let's try puree. Then, mix it with your spatula. How much time do we think is left? It's been 2 minutes.
Not quite.
Okay. While it's going, pour your olive oil in. And this is why my next investment will be a Vitamix. Okay, I like it like this. I like my dips to be a little, you know, have some texture, so I'm gonna call that. I think that's beautiful. Beautiful. Clean up your workspace. This is really good with pita. And then we make it pretty because what is life if not pretty? Some parsley on top. Teensy bit of mint. See, it makes it look nicer, right? Cover up the rawness of it. And of course, pomegranate seeds. There you go. That's for when someone knocks on your door and you're like, shoot, what do I serve them? Oh, whoa, I have an eggplant. Let's make some Baba Ganoush. I'm gonna take some of our Baba Ganoush here. Look at this beautiful texture. I feel like a lot of times when you buy store-bought dips, like hummus especially, it's runny, and I don't get that. I guess it's easier to produce that way, but it's not. It's nice to have a bite when you're eating something, I think. So there we go. I'm gonna put some pea shoots on there for some nice color. Pretty. Some olives. Very good for your skin. In the morning, I always have some olive oil with breakfast, or olives. Makes my skin nice. And some feta. You can bake feta in tin foil the same way you do with your garlic, and it becomes really nice and juicy, and it almost squishes when you bite it. It's very nice. But we're just gonna go with raw. And then of course, more pomegranate. We're not animals. And some parsley. A little bit more pepper. There you go. Look how pretty that is. It's so pretty. This is so impressive. And the best part is it's so simple. This dog is distracting me. There you go. It's just so refreshing. Hello, summer. Thanks for watching Takeaway Tuesday. We'll see you next week where I do something in 2 minutes or less. Never less, let's be honest. Just 2 minutes. Oh, maybe I'll use another eggplant. I don't know. I can't predict the future.